Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create your organization account on Rentilium.ai, step by step. So let's get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to Rentilium.ai. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a button that says Sign Up and Elevate Your Rentals. It's right below the headline. This will take you to the onboarding form where you'll enter your organization's basic details. Start by entering your organization name. Next, create an admin username. Then, fill out the admin details. That includes first name and last name of the administrator, your phone number, and a valid email address for communication and verification. Now, complete the verification section. Tick the checkboxes to confirm the terms of service and privacy policy. Once everything looks good, click on the Next button to move on to the verification step. Now it's time to verify your details. After clicking Next, Rentilium will send a one-time password to both your email and mobile number. Check your inbox for an email titled Complete Your Registration. You'll find a 6-digit OTP inside. Enter that 6-digit OTP into the verification field on the website. If you didn't receive the code, don't worry. Just click Resend OTP to get a new one. And don't forget to check your spam or junk folder too. Once you've entered the correct OTP, click Verify to continue. Awesome! Once your OTP is verified, you'll see a message confirming that your organization has been successfully created on Rentilium. You'll also receive a follow-up email containing your organization name, admin username, and a system-generated password. You can now click on Login to go directly to the login page or return to the home page manually. Enter your username and password from the email. If you ever forget your password, just click on Forgot Password. Rentilium will send you a reset link straight to your email. Finally, tick the checkbox. And that's it. You're now inside your Rentilium dashboard and ready to elevate your rental experience. So, hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for further updates.